What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to learn Filmora 14 in about 10 minutes. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you about the new start page of the program and also a quick review of the user interface. And this is just my first lesson about Filmora 14, and we're going to have more lessons in the coming weeks. And being mentioned that Filmora 14 is not a free video editor. If you want to use it and to export your project, you need to have a license of Filmora. If you want to buy a license of Filmora, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code in the description. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, and this is the start page of Filmora 14, and it changed a little bit in comparison with Filmora 13. Okay, so first thing first, on the left side we still have the create project where you can start your project. Just click here at the create project and you have many buttons here on the right side. And on the right side there is a small change about the aspect ratio. So you want to select an aspect ratio for your video like 16:9 or 9:16. There will be two buttons here, 16:9 or 9:16. And if you want to find other aspect ratio, you can click this drop down menu. So it has 1:1, 4:3, 4:5, 21:9 and 3:4, stuff like that right here. Okay, and next up, if you select 16:9, there will be a new button here, create the project. It will come to the user interface of Filmora 14. Okay, down here you have the cloud storage. So you want to click here at Filmora Cloud. When you purchase a license of Filmora, you have 1 GB free cloud. By the way, I just have 1 GB, so I will not use Wondershare Cloud. And down here you have the Creator Hub, which is the place for you to find all the tutorial on YouTube, like my tutorial and other creator tutorial. Okay, and finally on the left side is the toolbox of Filmora. So they have all the new feature and the old feature of the program. So just click the toolbox and you will see all the feature. Okay, at the left corner of the window is your account status. So you have the account center here. I have an account of Filmora, so I have my name here and also the AI credit I use. So I have an unlimited AI credit because it is an annual plan that I purchased long time ago. Okay, and let's go back to the create project, and now you have the create project button here, and on the right side some advertisement, and down here they show many AI feature. Okay, so I can maximize the window. So we see a lot of AI feature here, and we can click here to go to the toolbox again. Okay, so go back to the create project, and you have your local project and instant mode project. So you want to click here to find your old project, and then you can just double click at the project to open it. And at the right corner of the window are some support button and task list and upload to drive and stuff like that, and also the keyboard shortcut and contact support. By the way, that's all about the start page of Filmora 14. And now what if you want to start your new project? You want to click here at the new project button. Okay, and let's go to the user interface of Filmora 14. So this is the user interface of Filmora 14. You have the preview window at the center and the project information on the right side. Down here you have the timeline, and on the left side are all the most important folder of Filmora. You have the media where you can import your video, image, sound effect and music and stuff like that. And it is a stock media where you can find stock media from Filmora and other partner. Okay, and here you have the audio where you can find sound effect and music, and also AI music generator, stuff like that. And here you have the title, all the thing that is related to text template, stuff like that. You can find it in the title tab. And transition, to add transition between clip, you want to go to the transition folder and effect folder and filter and sticker and template. If you want to use split screen or other template in Filmora 14 now, you want to go to the template area. Okay, so this is the user interface of Filmora, and on the timeline of course you have many buttons, and also you have an area to control the button on the timeline. Okay, and if you want to change the layout of the user interface, you have a button here. For example, I can click cancel. You have a button here, layout mode, and normally I will use classic layout because I don't want to have a project panel here on the right side because it is too messy for me. So normally I will select classic layout. Alright, so that's everything you want to know about the start page and the user interface of Filmora 14. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to start a new project with Filmora 14, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Don't forget to watch next video here and here. Okay?